2-year-old could do this. A 2-year-old could do this.
When I get you, I will eat you.
This is so lame. Anyone could do this. A 2-year-old. Let's see, what's this weird closet right here? Let's open it. Open.
When I get you, I will eat you.